Kinanek. Pero masukot na record. So good afternoon, Mr. Cornelius. So I'm here in the front of you to discuss the variation in forestry populations. So I'll start with the introduction. So variation in forestry populations is essential for biodiversity, shaped by genetic differences and environmental factors. Even within the same species, trees can vary in height, growth rate, shape, and pest resistance due to genetic diversity, which helps them adapt to changing conditions. Factors like soil type, climate, and competition with other plants impact individual tree characteristics. So that would be our introduction. So proceed to the location of the study. So the study took place at the Caraga State University main campus, focusing on the Eco Park area, which boasts a rich diversity of tree species in lush forested environment. This location was strategically chosen for its excellent accessibility and remarkable ecological diversity. So now I'm going to show you the area, the map where we conducted our laboratory. So here's the map of the study that we conducted. So there sa kuan is kanina mapa is located siya sa Eco Park no, which is very diverse area of the Caraga State University. So ang among nakuha diya nga sample is by the way is nagkuha mi og kuan diya sir kanang area is 20 by 20, which is mo siya ang required to complete our task or this activity. So we get the our samples three. We have the Vitex fibriflora, Sweetheania microphylla also, and Vitex fibriflora again. And we have the Chrysophyllum kineto, which is sa 20 by 20 na mo nga area is na mora di ang amo ang nakuha nga sample trees. Kay mora siya ang na sakop sa amo ang area. So that's it. So now I proceed to the three species measurements. So since we have a different species samples, since the other had sir. So the others have different have the same sample species, but kami is naka-start naman me since our equipment or tools or apparatus to get this activity done is very lack of supply, MMs. So now, since nasugdan na namo, so we have to continue what we have started, sir. So we have the three species measurements. So we have the species A, Kineto, large leaf mahogany, Molave, large leaf mahogany also, and Molave also. We have the scientific name ay Chrysophyllum, Vitex fibriflora, and Sweetheania microphylla. And of course, we get the dBH or the centimeter of the tree, and also the tree height of the tree. So start with the Kineto. We have the 27 dBH, and it has a 7 tree height. Proceed to the large leaf mahogany, have 18 and 10, 51 and 9, 43 and 12, 26 and 8. That is the dBH and the tree height of the sample trees that we get. Wrong. So let's proceed to the left area statistic from different tree species. So of course, aside from getting the dBH or the tree height of the specific trees or the sample trees, we also get the mean, median, and the range of the trees. Of course, we have the Kineto. We get a 71.39 ihang mean, and sa ihaning left sa ihaning dahon, sa iyang dahon. Ang sa median po is nakuha mi og 91.73, and sa ihang range is 9.64. Sa Kineto lang na siya. Ang sa large leaf mahogany we have 95.9, 91.54, 24.86. Sa Molave, we have 69.28, 67.6, 17.46. And sa large leaf mahogany for the other the other species, though we have samples nga duha ka large leaf mahogany but different due to sila sizes sa ilang dahon. So ang isa ka mahogany nga large leaf is 97.46 iyahang mean, ang median kay 6.23 and 12.94 iyahang range. And sa Mulawi 73.1, 75.91 and 19.77. To sum up, is mahogany is the highest mean leaf area with reaching 95.9, while Mulawi has the lowest at 69.28. Also, the Kaimito is the highest median leaf area with reaching 91.73, while Mulawi has the lowest at 67.6. And also the Mahogany is the highest range leaf area with reaching 24.86, while Kaimito has the lowest at 9.61. So as you can see sa mga dita is, bisan pag magkalalahin man or magkapareha ang leaf sample or the sample 3 species is magka-different good ang ilahang sizes, ilahang leaf, no? Di gid sila magkapareha. So proceed to the environmental factors or environmental variables, which is the soil characteristics of a tree. So of course dili lang dahon, dili lang DBH, dili lang leaf area ang among gikuha sa mo sample, but amo pud gikuha ang ilahang soil pH, soil moisture, soil compactness, and light intensity sa specific area which we are conducted. So sa Kaimito is we have the soil pH with soil pH 6.8, and soil moisture has 5.2, soil compactness is 2.3, light intensity is 97.6. Muna siya sa Kaimito nga area, no? Sa Kaimito lang na siya nga 3. And then sa large leaf, mahogany has 6.6 soil pH and 8 soil moisture and 4.5 soil compactness, and ang young light intensity has 166.6. Dito ka na siya nga specific nga 3. Of course, we have the Mulawi, ang soil pH also has 6.5, yung soil moisture has 7.5, yung soil compactness has 4.0, and has a light intensity of 197.7. Of course, we also have the large leaf mahogany. Ihang soil pH niya po na itong area is 5.7. As you can see, sa isa ka large leaf mahogany is di sila parehas. So magka-different din ang ilahang environmental factor or variables. So yung soil moisture is 8, and ang iyang soil compactness has 4.0, and yung light intensity has 166.3. And of course, we'll also the Mulawi, 6.4, 8, 3.5, and 182.9. So, dili gid sila magkaparehas, no? So, we have the temperature of 28.0 degrees Celsius, and we have the relative humidity. So, nagkapag dito sa area of temperature and humidity niya. So, I think sa specific area has nakakuha mi og same lang pud nga data, which is ako na lang pud siyang kita ko as overall, which is the 28.0 degrees Celsius and relative humidity with 90.5%. So that's our soil characteristics of a tree, or the environmental variables sa specific area. So next, so we have also na the conclusion. Finally, hangak siya. So the conclusion is, this study clearly illustrates the significant variations among forestry populations. The eco-park area underscoring the critical influence of genetic diversity and environmental factors on tree growth and morphology. The findings unequivocally highlight the urgent need for sustained conservation efforts to protect genetic diversity, as it is essential for the long-term sustainability of forest ecosystems. These variations not only emphasizes the intricate interactions between the species and their environments, but also reinforce the importance of the adopting effective forest management and conservation strategies. So in the conclusions, dito may nagkaog sample, so we have to, in my suggestions and in my opinions and recommendations, kana just sa area sa eco park is we have to sustain the conservation. Kung unsa na siya very useful siya nga area and very diverse. as an ecosystem. So I think that would be our report of forest genetics and tree improvements. So thank you.
Ano dyan? Mati-mati.
Uy!